Buildings are not natural, they're man-made. You've got to create harmony between that man-made structure and its environment. I'm Tom Kinver. I'm a Chartered Architectural Technologist and a Chartered Environmentalist. My own Kinver Creations, a design practice in West Wales. Chartered AT and a Chartered Environmentalist both specialise in the science of architecture, but also the science of the environment and how you create harmony between those two converging challenges. I qualified as a Chartered Environmentalist through the Chartered Institute of Architectural Technologists in 2006. CIAT administer that process and issue the qualification. As building designers, we're in an optimum position to have an impact on our environment. So it's very important that we have the skill sets and the recognition to minimise our building designs' carbon footprint and environmental conservation footprint on the local habitat. We were awarded a project to design a cliffside residence on the basis that I am a Chartered Environmentalist, because creating an eco-home for the clients was paramount in their brief. When you approach the building, you're about 100 metres above it, so you don't really see that building until you become level with it. The setting presented many challenges. It's a triple SI. There was some very, very invasive species on the site, from Japanese knotweed to giant rhubarb. The site was also a former brickworks. The Wales Coastal Footpath runs 20 metres away from the front of the building. During a big storm, that footpath was washed away down onto the beach. The first thing we did was undertake a detailed survey of the ground conditions, fingertip searches through the flora and fauna, aerial photography, and undertook an archaeological survey of the site. The design created challenges. The client's brief was to create essentially an environmentally friendly eco-home, modern architecture, trying to harmonise the natural and engineered elements of the site and the building. So we wanted to create a visually low impact building that was achieved with a sea wave shaped roof that felt like it was flowing out of the hillside with a living roof on top. We've got frameless, large, 5-6 metre tall glazing, capturing the sights and the sounds of the ocean. It's got a great connection to its garden and the wider habitat. It's been well received within the community. I've been lucky enough to win several awards for it. The awards recognise not only the design of the building, but its construction, how it dealt with the challenges of the site, but more importantly for me, its low impact on the environment, both now and in its future. We have an obligation as building designers to limit the impact our designs have on the environment and aim to protect it, both from its carbon footprint as well as the conservation of plants and animals, constantly under threat. There's a demand for new homes in Britain. So as a Chartered AT and Chartered Environmentalist, we are well placed to mitigate the potential damage our building designs can have on the environment, both now and in the future.